Lesson number 7, Saying without speaking. Let us play a game. In this game, everyone has to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. Each group will get a piece of paper with a situation written on it. Each group will read what is written on the paper and prepare a silent act. Keep in mind that you cannot speak. You can express through your face and body actions. When all the groups are ready with their act, they will have to perform one by one in front of others. The others will have to guess what is being acted out. Various types of disabilities are seen in many people who live around us. For example, blindness, deaf mute, crippled, mental retardation, and learning disability. This type of disability may be more or less based on the percentage of the disability. It is decided whether it is normal or severe. If the disability is normal, such children can go to common schools in which all the children study. However, if the disability is severe, then these children need to go to special kind of school. Such children need more love and warmth. Deaf mute children communicate with the gesture of the hand and understand what we say by the movement of our lips. We should try to understand what they are trying to say and make them understand what we want to say. We can easily make out whether a person is happy, sad, or angry just by looking at his or her face. Our face is a mirror. One can read a person's feelings from the expression on his or her face. Look at the picture. Children are talking through the action in the picture. Most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who cannot neither hear nor speak. These people talk through actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movement. All of us cannot do everything. Some of us sing well, others write good poetry. Some can climb trees quickly, while others can run fast. Some can draw well, others can sing in tune. We are all special in our own ways. Hence, in schools, we can learn from each other. Like all children, children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to read and write. In schools, sign language is taught to them. Let us read about a child who cannot hear yet who can do many things. Small girl Chaku, she cannot hear. She is deaf by birth. Her elder brother is Nandu. Nandu and Chaku play together. Chaku plays the piano very well. She likes to feel the deep rumbling chords, but she will never be able to sing. She cannot hear the tune. She likes to leap, to rumble, tremble, to roll, to climb to the top of the monkey bars. Now my sister has started going to my school, although our mother still helps her lip read at home. The teacher and children do not understand every word she says, like sister, or water, or thumb. I wore my sunglasses yesterday. The frames were very large, the lenses are very black. My sister made me take them off when I spoke. What do my brown eyes say to her brown eyes? Our eyes tells a lot. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands even before they learn to speak. They understand a lot too. When do people need to talk like this? People who are deaf, mute can neither hear nor speak. so they have to communicate through gestures. Some stage actors also act a role of characters who talk in gesture. Children make action by smiling, laughing, crying, and by moving their hands and feet. They express their needs to their parents through such gestures. You must be wondering what kind of faces are these? They have no eyes, no nose, no mouth. Look at the picture. In this picture, this is Aftab. His favorite toy was fallen down and broken. He is sad. How will his face look? This is Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited. How will her face look? This is Rutva's mother. Today, while Rutva was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Draw the look on her mother's face. This is Rehana. She is afraid of dogs. While playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. How will Rehana's face look? By looking at someone's face, we can tell if the person is happy, sad, or angry. Has it ever happened that you had done some mischief and your mother found out just by looking at your face? We can talk through dance as well. In dance, the hands and face are used to convey feelings. These are called mudras and bhavas. Look at the given figure and do these mudras. Learn some more dance mudras and do them. Look at these pictures and guess. Make your own story. Tell the story to your friends. Once there was a little squirrel. It lived on a tree on the outskirts of the village. It was very happy and playful little creature. It had many animal friends. One day the squirrel thought of serving kheer puri to her friends. Next day it invited all its friends for a lunch of kheer puri. Then it returned home and first of all fried puris in the frying pan. After the puris were ready, it prepared the kheer on the stove. Just as both the dishes were ready, its friends arrived. All were eager to have lunch. There was Maina, a crow, a fly, a rat, etc. in her group of friends. The squirrel fed its friends with kheer puri. All the friends ate their fill. They all thanked the squirrel. According to the story in the textbook, which defect did Chaku have? In what was she skilled? According to the story in the textbook, Chaku was deaf. She was skilled in playing the piano. What was the name of Chaku's brother? Chaku's brother's name was Nandu. Which type of deformities are seen in people? Deformities like blindness, deaf, mute, crippled in the legs and hands. Other deformities, mental retardation, and learning disabilities are seen in people. Arrangements has the government made for people with any kind of deformity? For people with any kind of deformity, the government has implemented various schemes. There are special schools for children who are handicapped from birth. Such children can earn their own living after getting trained in these special schools. Arrangements is there for studying in a special school for deaf-mute children. Deaf-mute children are taught to communicate with gesture in special schools made for them. There are special schools for children who are handicapped from birth. Thank you.